Hey guys, welcome back. By now, you have seen tons of Mac Mini M4 reviews. And yes, we all know it's an incredible value machine. But I'm not here to run a stress test with 20 apps open or bore you with benchmark numbers. Because that's not what an average user cares about. In this video, I will be focusing on real-world tasks like video editing and multitasking. Why should you get this over MacBook Pro or an iMac or a personal computer? Then the most important part, which Mac Mini M4 variant should you get and what accessories you will need. So stay with me till the end. This entire video was shot in ProRes on my Ninja 5, resulting in over 50 GB of 4K footage. Editing such massive files on Mac Mini M4 using Final Cut Pro 11 was an absolute breeze. Scrubbing through the timeline was buttery smooth with no frame drops or stutters even after applying effects and color grading. I was using Photoshop to edit thumbnails, edited my audio with Logic Pro, and all of this was done simultaneously on Mac Mini with zero slowdowns. If you are into video editing, trust me, the performance you get in this tiny machine is unmatched for its price. It's easily one of the best experiences I've had editing high-res content. Whether you are a student, a content creator, or a software developer, the Mac Mini M4 doesn't just meet expectations, it blows them away. If you are considering a Mac Mini M4, here is why it might be a better choice over these. MacBook Pro. Yes, you will get slightly better performance from the MacBook Pro, but keep this in mind, you are paying 3 times the price for that portability. If your workflow doesn't demand working on the go, why overspend when the Mac Mini delivers the same incredible power for a fraction of a cost? iMac. Yes, the iMac is stunning, no doubt, but let's be real. You're paying primarily for the display. Internally, the iMac offers 8-core CPU and GPU, while the Mac Mini M4 offers 10-core CPU and GPU, delivering more horsepower for demanding tasks. And the price difference? The iMac costs nearly twice as much as the Mac Mini. If you already have a decent monitor, the Mac Mini makes more sense. Even if you don't, get a cheap monitor. Between M4 and M4 Pro, which one should you actually get? Initially, I thought of getting the M4 Pro, but decided against it. These are the reasons. Reason number 1. You get Thunderbolt 5 ports in M4 Pro Mini. And Thunderbolt 5 is 3 times faster than Thunderbolt 4, ideal for 8K video editing. But there is a catch. If you want to utilize Thunderbolt 5 to its full potential, you need to have Thunderbolt 5 compatible devices, be it monitors or SSDs. And there are very few in the market and are crazy expensive. Thunderbolt 4 is also very fast, which is more than sufficient for average users. Reason number 2. I don't shoot videos in 8K, so I knew the base M4 was ideal for my use case. I don't usually edit videos, audio files and make thumbnails at the same time, but I did it for the sake of this video. And the M4 did not break a sweat. Even if the M4 Pro offered me more horsepower, I would never be able to utilize it in daily usage. Reason number 3. The price of M4 for what it offers makes it the best value for money product Apple has ever made. But the same cannot be said for M4 Pro. For most users, 256 GB is plenty to install all your essential apps. Don't be tempted to spend $200 extra on 512 GB variant. For the same price, you can get 2 TB external SSD. Formatted to APFS, you will be able to install the apps directly onto it. It's a far better deal and gives you way more storage. You don't need the expensive Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse. Your existing Bluetooth keyboard or a keyboard mouse combo with the receiver will work perfectly. You need to get a Type-C to USB dongle to plug in the receiver and you are good to go. Many reviews say that 16 GB of RAM in this Mac Mini is good for now, but recommend upgrading to 24 GB or 32 GB to be future-proof. My honest suggestion? Don't do it. Here is why. With 16 GB of RAM and well-optimized Mac applications, you can easily run multiple heavy lifting applications at the same time. 6 years down the line, will it slow down? It may or it may not. Even if it does, we all know the Apple products have great resale value. Just like your iPhone, you can trade this in and get another Mac Mini with M9 or M10 chipset in 2030. Don't shell out your extra money today. Stay in the present and enjoy your mini happiness. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.